Hi.
Hi.
Rachel, this is Lee. Hello? Lee, this is Rachel.
Hi.
And this is Dylan. You can't see him too good.
Hey, Dylan. Very handsome.
Randy, you want me to get the car and pick you up?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. I gotta go.
Actually, could we talk for a second?
Sure.
Okay. I'll just pull around. Just be a few minutes.
Okay, thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Be right back.
I don't have anything big to say.
It's okay.
I know you've been around, and
I've just been getting Patrick settled in.
it seems like he's doing pretty good, huh? Considering.
I think he is, yeah.
I guess you don't know this, but I really kept in touch with Joe. It's
No,
been
I
kind of
knew
weird
that.
for me not seeing Patrick. Oh, okay. I didn't know.
If you could see him if you want.
Could we ever have lunch?
You mean us? You and me?
Yeah. Because I said a lot of terrible things to you.
No.
But I know you never. Maybe you don't want to talk to me.
It's not that.
Let me finish. However, my heart was broken. It's always going to be broken. And I know yours is broken too. But I don't have to carry. I said things that I should fucking burn in hell for what I said to you.
No,
It was just.
No, Randy, no.
I'm just sorry.
I can't.
I love you. Maybe I shouldn't say that.
Oh, you can say that.
It's just.
I'm sorry, I've got to go.
We couldn't have lunch.
I'm really sorry, I don't think so. Thank you for saying everything that you said.
You can't just die.
I'm not.
Honey.
I want you to be happy.
Honey,
and
I see you walking around here. And I just want to tell you.
I would want to talk to you, Randy.
Please.
Please, you gotta,
Lee.
I'm
Lee, you
trying
gotta. I don't know what.
No,
I don't want to torture you.
You're not torturing me.
I just want to tell you that I was wrong.
No. You understand? There's nothing there. There's nothing there.
That's not true.
That's not true. I'm serious. You don't understand. And I don't know what this.
You.
I know you understand. I've got to go. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.